In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add next and previous buttons in WordPress. Whether you're managing a blog, a portfolio, or any other type of website, easy navigation is key to keeping your visitors engaged. Adding next and previous buttons allows your readers to seamlessly move between posts, ensuring they don't miss anything important. It's a simple yet powerful feature that enhances user experience and keeps your content flowing. So let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, head over to wordpress.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you can access your site. Now go ahead and log in using your WordPress username and password. Alternatively, you can choose Continue with Google for a quicker option. If your WordPress account is linked to your Google account, this can save you a few steps and streamline the process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard here. Direct your attention to the right-hand panel. This is where you'll see a set of quick links designed to help you navigate your site efficiently. From there, click on Edit Site. This will open the site editor, which is your workspace for making changes to your website's design and functionality. Think of it as your creative control center. Now, in the site editor, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see an Add button. Click on that. This opens up a toolbox filled with elements and blocks that you can add to your website. It's like having all the building blocks for your site right at your fingertips. To keep things simple, we'll use the search bar that appears. Type the word Next into the search field. This is the quickest way to filter through all the options and find exactly what you're looking for. From the search results, select the Next Post option. This will add a navigational button that allows your visitors to move forward to the next post on your site. It's a great way to guide your audience through your content in a logical, user-friendly flow. But we're not done yet. To complete the navigation setup, we also need a Previous button. To do this, go back to the search bar and type the word Previous. From the results, select the Previous Post option. This will create a button that lets users go back to earlier posts. It's a handy feature to ensure your visitors can revisit content they might have missed or reread something they found valuable. Once both buttons are added, take a few moments to adjust their positioning and functionality. You might want to ensure they align well with your overall design and are easy for visitors to spot. Placement matters, as it helps create a smooth browsing experience. When you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to save your changes. This is an important step to make sure all your edits are applied to your live site. Finally, preview your website. This step lets you double-check that the next and previous buttons not only look great, but also work as intended. Click on each button to confirm that they navigate to the correct posts. If all is well, you're done. And that's how you add next and previous buttons in WordPress. With these simple additions, you've made it much easier for your visitors to explore your content. If you have any questions about today's tutorial or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.